All right, today we're doing a tri-tip like a brisket. Got it about 250 with some smoking pecan pellets. We're gonna run this 4 or 5 hours, maybe a little less because it's a pretty small tri-tip and there's no fat cap. So we'll see what happens. All right, time to take it off and wrap it up for a little bit. All right, she's wrapped up. She hits 200. We're gonna take it off and take a look. I'm supposed to wait 30 minutes before I unwrap it, but this is tough. Good Lord, look at the juice. It's just a tri-tip. What the hell happened? I mean, I put a little bit of beef tallow in here. Where is it? Where'd it go? I can't even find it. Holy shit, babe. There it is. Oh my God. Stop it. All sliced up. Got a good smoke ring. It's just on a pellet smoker, but I use smoking pecan pellets. That's some good stuff. Early samples are positive. All right, there's the plate. Look at that smoke ring. That's just on your cheap Walmart smoker. That smoking pecan stuff is good. We'll see.